In this video, I will show you how to use dropship.io to find winning products. Sign up for a free account on dropship.io and explore their tools as you follow along with this tutorial. Once logged in, click on Product Database on the left side of the dashboard. Click on Advanced Filters and type in the keyword of the product you're searching for. Click the search button and wait for the results page to load. The items are displayed in no particular order, so sort them based on monthly sales or revenue. For example, click on the Monthly Sales tab. Look at the top of the list to see the most successful products. For instance, the first entry sold 7,273 units with a revenue of $872,687. Click on the store's link to see what it looks like, or click the blue arrow beside the product name to see the sales data of the store. Go to the sales tracker and paste the store's URL. Click Start Tracking to get a better view of the store's performance. In the sales tracker, review the summary at the top. Use the social buttons on the right to visit the store's social media pages. Facebook Marketplace is a valuable resource for product hunting. Click the store icon on the Facebook to access it. Toggle the control panel on the left. Type a keyword, for example, handbag, and click the filter button. You can also specify a location and click Apply. Click on the specific product to view more details. Note that Facebook Marketplace lacks data like reviews. Most sellers offer pre-loved products, not dropshipping items. The Facebook Ads library is a useful tool for finding winning products, despite its user-unfriendly interface. With dropship.io's tools and guidance, you can efficiently research products and start your dropshipping business. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.